Hello everyone, I'm Asha Bist. Hope you all are doing well. Hope you all are happy. Dear students, today I welcome you all in class 1 English language. We'll be discussing today the use of in, on, under and behind. So let's begin. First of all, as we always start our video with some of the examples. So here let's observe these pictures. In this picture you must be seeing a rat and a box. In the second picture you'll see a rat is changing its place again and again, and now it is on the box. Now it has changed its place again. Now it is under the table. Now it is hiding behind the box. Now we have observed some of the pictures. If we want to make sentences out of these pictures, we can say that in the first picture we saw a rat is in the box. Where was the rat? The rat was in the box. In the second picture, a rat is on the box. Third, a rat is under the table. Fourth, a rat is behind the box. So, after watching these pictures and the sentences, we can say that in, on, under, behind are prepositions. They tell us the position of a person, place, animal or thing. Means in, on, under and behind. All these are used to tell the position of anything like a person, place, animal or thing. It tells us where the thing is kept. Now let's take examples of use of in. Water in glass. Here you can see that the water is in the glass. Flowers in vase. Where the flowers are? In vase. Fruits in basket. I hope you all like fruits. And where we keep it? We keep all the fruits in the basket. Fish in aquarium. If we have an aquarium at home, we keep fish in it. So, fish in aquarium. A glass on table. Now we are taking examples of use of on. Before this we discussed use of in. Now we'll take examples use of on. A glass on table. Where the glass is kept? On the table. So what we'll say? A glass on table. A monkey on a tree. The monkey is hanging on a tree. A cat on a mat. Where the cat is sitting? On a mat. Books on a shelf. Where we keep our books? On a shelf. A dog under the bed. The dog is hiding itself under a bed. Now we are taking examples of use of under. The dog is under the bed. A cow under a tree. where the cow is resting under a tree. This sentence tells us that cow is under the tree. A cat behind the curtain, where the cat is hiding itself behind the curtain. Use of behind we are doing a man behind the wall, where the man is standing behind the wall. So all these examples are explaining itself that is here in this video we are discussing the use of in, on, under, behind. All these are prepositions. They tell us the position of any person, place, animal or things. Okay, so today we learned the use of preposition, which tells us the position of different things. Hope you understood this and also liked the video. So, keep watching the video. We'll soon meet with some more interesting videos from your English language book. Till then, take care. Have a good day.